Hello, I'm Lisa Kidder, and I'm going to talk about how to use styles and create accessible documents. By the end of this video, you should be able to describe the basic characteristics of the Styles tool found in modern editors, and describe why using styles supports all users in the creation of documents. First, let's talk about where you will find the Styles tools in an editor. Whether you are working in Google Docs, WordPress, Word, or a learning management system, you will have access to the Styles tool. In this image, you can see that in Google Docs, the Styles tool has the word normal as in normal text. The WordPress editor uses paragraph to indicate text that will be used in a paragraph. In Word, on the Home tab, there's an entire section identified with styles at the bottom and beginning with normal. You can also see other styles such as Heading 1 and Heading 2 in that section. The Blackboard Learn editor has the word paragraph, just like WordPress, while the Moodle Atto editor uses a lowercase I. No matter what editing tool you use to create, you will find the Styles tool near where you format the text. As we saw with the Word Styles section, how do you know which specific style you should use? Generally speaking, the bulk of your document will use the normal or paragraph style. As you can see in the image of this Google Doc, there are 6 paragraphs with normal text. The headings 1, 2, and 3, etc. should be used to designate the structure of your document. You can use the document outline view to see the structure of your document to help you decide if a heading 2 really should be a heading 3 or vice versa. Generally speaking, your document will only have one title and one heading 1. You should not use styles to simply change the visual appearance of the text. The purpose should be to communicate the structure of your document both visually and with the underlying tags, which we will talk about next. So what exactly do these style tools do? When you use the styles to create your document, you are doing 2 main things. First, you are changing the look of the text. For example, the text may change to a font size 14 with bold. Second, you are automatically adding the appropriate tags which help communicate the structure of your document. The specific style will have the visual font characteristics such as size, font, bolding, and spacing, as well as the HTML tag which will remain with the text when you convert your document to PDF or HTML. The first highlighted header, Course Technologies, has the H4 tag in the HTML code. The second highlighted header, Microphone and Speakers, has the H5 tag in the HTML code. So why does this start with a header 4? In this context, this is a page within the learning management system. The main LMS page will be the top level or heading 1. The course name will be the second level heading or H2. And the week or module where this resource is located will have heading 3 or the H3 tag. So who decides what visual appearance the text will have? In web pages, the visual look of each style set is usually determined by the CSS or underlying programming. For example, when you select a theme for your WordPress site, the creator of the theme has selected the visual characteristics that go well together. When you designate a line of text as a heading 2, the information provided in the theme will change the appearance of the text and add the tag of H2. When working in a learning management system, the visual look is often a combination of the underlying system and the institution's branding, including colors, fonts, and logos. When you create a document in a tool like Word, there are default styles included, but you can also search for templates where a designer has selected specific characteristics such as fonts, colors, sizes, margins, etc. to create a specific look and feel. You can also create your own style set with the look you want for your document. In fact, you can create many customized sets, including ones that match the common style guides for academic writing, such as APA and MLA. You can also indicate that your customized set style will be the default when creating a new document within your Word. So now that you know what styles are, where to find them, and generally what they do, let's talk about why you should use styles. By using styles, you will be able to meet accessibility standards, create documents more efficiently, maintain accessibility when repurposing documents such as converting to PDFs or HTML, and they will allow you to use other helpful tools like easily creating a table of contents, moving large blocks of text, and using the document outline. So how exactly do styles help with accessibility? Within the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, or WCAG, there are several guidelines which address properly formatted documents and pages. By using styles, your document will not only have the visual cues, but the underlying tags that help communicate the structure of the document. By providing that underlying support, certain assistive technologies can support readers with better, more efficient access to the information. For example, a screen reader is able to detect the underlying tags and provide document overviews and other navigational support. Headings also provide cognitive support to help readers understand the structure and relationship of the information. The University of Pittsburgh's Center for Teaching and Learning created a table with 9 of the common accessibility tasks related to instruction: hyperlinks, readable PDFs, font color, keyboard accessibility, alternative text, captions, transcripts, and tables. In the table, you can see that each task has the impact and effort identified. High impact tasks are hyperlinks, readable PDFs, alternative text, and captions. These 4 items will have the highest impact on the most users. Medium impact tasks are keyboard accessibility and transcripts, with low impact tasks being font color and tables. High effort tasks are transcripts and tables. These tasks may require additional knowledge and skills to accomplish. Medium effort tasks are keyboard accessibility, alternative text, and captions. Low effort tasks are hyperlinks and readable PDFs. The high impact and low effort tasks are a great place to begin in learning how to create accessible documents. Hyperlinks and readable PDFs fall into this category. I have added a column to the original table showing you how and where the use of styles can help lay a foundation for meeting accessibility standards when creating your materials. Those areas are readable PDFs, font color, and keyboard accessibility. Creating accessible documents is the right thing to do, legally, morally, and ethically. However, you might be surprised at how much this tool will help you. Using styles will help you be more efficient. You'll be able to quickly format text and move large blocks of text easily. Your documents will be more consistent. You can update the style once, and all the text with that same style will automatically update. You will also have access to additional tools. You can automatically create a table of contents that will have built-in clickable navigation, and you'll be able to update page numbers and the titles of the items with a click. The navigation pane or document outline will help you quickly navigate large documents and allow you to see the structure of your document. Now I hope that you have a better understanding of styles. They are found in most modern editors to help create efficiently and are fairly easy to use. The use of styles supports meeting accessibility standards with minimal effort that will impact many. Lastly, the use of styles will help your workflow be more efficient in creating consistent documents that are easy to navigate and provide access to other tools.